care of the cord, assemble all equipment needed to save time, effort, and energy. Drop refined alcohol to the baby's umbilicus to soften the dried blood, can easily remove discharges. Soak the cotton pledget or cotton buds with refined alcohol. Clean the umbilicus with cotton pledget or cotton buds. Clean the umbilicus in circular motion from inner to outer portion of the cord and repeat the procedure until the cord is thoroughly clean. To prevent infection, ang sa clean the umbilicus, cotton pledget or cotton buds to remove debris. Okay, so clean the umbilicus in circular motion from inner to outer portion of the cord. Repeat procedure until the cord is thoroughly clean to prevent infection. Drop refined alcohol to the umbilicus by avoiding dripping of solution to the genitalia or circumcision area, creates discomfort to the baby. Dry the umbilicus by open dressing. Dry the umbilicus by open dressing to facilitate drying and healing of the cord. Then remove the cord clamps after 48 hours after bath.